Welcome to lesson 18-4. Tonight we're going to be talking about stem and leaf plots.
Zoe is having a party at the end of March, and she wants to see how the weather's shaping up. She's a very visual gal, so I thought a stem and leaf plot would be a slam dunk way for her to graph it out. Let me show you how it's done, step by step. First, make a list of the temperatures in order from least to greatest. In 15 days, the temperature has swung from the 40s to the 80s. Next, find the stems. The stems are the digits in the tens place of each number. See how each number has two digits? The first one, the tens digit, that's the stem. Even if more than one number has the same stem, only include a stem once. Put the stems in a column. Write the stems on the left side of the vertical line. We've got four stems of temperatures: the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, and the 80s. When you're not listing out the stems, you've got to go in order. Even though there were no days in the 70s, it should still be included in the chart. Next, list the leaves next to the correct stem in order from least to greatest. Don't forget to list every leaf, even if a number repeats. Write out each leaf next to its stem, left to right, smallest first. The 40 stem only has one leaf. That's good news. Don't forget to add an eye-catching title. Temperatures for the first half of March. Now Zoe can see right away that there were more days in the 60s than any other temperature. Looks like Zoe may end up having a nice spring day for her party. Be careful when you try to use a stem and leaf plot for 3-digit numbers or higher. To do it right, list only the last digit, the number in the ones place, as your leaves. List all the other digits under stem. How many numbers are on this stem and leaf plot?
I see the number 22, I see the number 24, 25, 27, 28, 33, 34, 36, none in the 40s, 53, 57, 58, 58, 58, 59. If I counted up all those numbers, I believe I got 14.
That's a slam dunk! There are 14 leaves, and when each leaf gets paired up with its correct stem, that makes 14 numbers. What's the first number listed on this stem and leaf plot?
The stem is a 2, the leaf is a 2. Put them together, that makes 22.
Nothing but net! 22 is the correct answer because the first stem is 2 and the first leaf is 2. Put them together and you get 22.
Let's take a look at another stem and leaf plot. If I were given prices of pillows in dollars and told to make a stem and leaf plot, this is what I would do. I'd first look at the dollar prices: $10, $45, $20, $20, $37, $24, and $9. I need to make my 2-column notes with the stem being on the left-hand side in the tens and the leaves being on the right-hand side in the ones. It kind of looks like our Avid notes. My lowest number I see is the number 9. That has no number in the tens place, so I put a 0. I see 10s, I see 20s, I see 30s, I see 40s, and I don't see anything else. Remember they said from the video, even if I didn't have anything in the 20s, I would still need to write a 2 stem there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also make these lines across because it's much easier for me to tell then where the leaves are. So my first one here I have a 9. My leaf would be 0, 9. There's nothing else. I'm going to cross it off so I know I've done that. In the 10s, I just have a 10. So my stem is a 1 and the leaf is 0. Put them together and make a 10. In the 20s, I have 20, 20, and 24. 20 comes first, a second 20, and 24. Do you see where I got the 0? The 0 and the 4? 0, 0, and 4. In the 30s, all I see is 37. I have the 3 down here, so I need to add a 7. And in the 40s, I see 45. Here would be my completed stem and leaf chart. Take out your notebooks, please. A couple notes for you. 18-4. Our first one is stem and leaf plot. It's a way to organize data. A stem means a tens digit, and the leaf means the ones digit. Really, if you think about it, it does kind of look like a stem with some leaves. I'm going to get a pretty green here, and we'll do a brown for our stem. So if I were to look at this, here would be my brown stem, and I would have my leaves coming off to the side. Have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.